Let me just slide tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared.
What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day, wink, wink. Anyways, guys, I am having such a good morning today. Honestly, I woke up in a good mood, and I was like, you know what? Let's get this day started with a Colourpop haul. I know you guys wanted me to do the collection video, but I have to open these boxes first, then we could do the collection video. But first, I would like to give a person, and I'm not saying that you are an irrelevant person, I'm saying you being a hater is an irrelevant person, 5 minutes of the fame they want. You expected me, after you made that trashy ass video of lies on me yesterday, you expected me to make a whole video dedicated to you. No, sweetie, you're not getting that from me. You're not gonna get me to go ahead and do this and do that and blink this and no, and your time's running out now. Now, like I said, as a person, you're probably a good person. But as a hater, you are irrelevant. You are this itty-bitty little fish attacking YouTubers because why? Can't say that you're jealous. Can't say that you're hating. Can't say that you want to beat us. But damn, if you've attacked already 3 other YouTubers that actually have so many more subscribers than me, so it's actually a compliment to link me in that boat. So thank you. And guys, I'm sorry to tell you this, but it's the sad truth of reality of being a YouTuber. It comes with haters, and karma is a bee. I'm not gonna curse like you nasty self did all over your video, but I am disgusted to even have my name come out of your mouth. So there's your 5 minutes of fame. I hope you enjoyed it and all the lies and trash talk you did. Now on to more important things, me moving on with my life. So, like I said, if you're new to the YouTube channel, hi, I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding, ding, ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, and right now I have a 2021 giveaway going on. Definitely check it out. I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. So make sure you give it a click. And without further ado, let's get into this Colourpop haul. Okay, so I used the, oh my gosh, does it say? It was the one I did the other day. I was gonna bring it in for the video and I totally forgot. It was the Amore Menage a More or something like that. Menage a More or whatever. But anyways, I love this palette. It looks actually really pretty. The only thing I messed up on is that this black, I did not blend up top when I added the liquid eyeshadow on top. But I think it came out really good. I don't really have purple, and I was like, ooh, this is cute. And I'm also wearing my heart, my soul, my honey bunny, Miss Ebanks, near and dear to my heart, right around my neck. I think around my neck. I think that this came out really good. If you would like a link of how I got this picture in this necklace, let me know and I will make sure I put it in the description box. Now, Colourpop, favorite. Everyone always asks, Samantha Sweets, what is your favorite? What is your favorite? Colourpop, guys. And there's so many of my Sweetie Squad that you guys were like, I've never tried Colourpop, but now I have to. You have to. Now, I can't be there every time they have a sale because let's face it, they have sales all the time. I actually hit this sale and they have Afterpay. I actually hit this sale about 2 weeks ago, I believe, and the sale was phenomenal. I could not believe I believe one of the eyeshadow palettes in here was only $6. I've never paid $6 for a Colourpop. So let's get into this little box first, and then we will get into the rest of it. I actually, last night, when I lost my taste and smell, I was making pot roast, and that's how I found out I lost my taste and smell, because I was on day 11 yesterday of COVID. Today I'm on day 12, and I lost my taste and smell, and I was cutting onions, and I was like, oh, onions are normally funky. So I went to Sweetie Prince, and I said, hey, smell this, and he's like, oh, Mom, it smells like an old man's armpit. I said, dang, I lost my smell. So, oh well. Okay, so this little, I remember now I ordered this. This is their lip liner set. I've actually never tried Colourpop's lip liners, but when I saw the colors, I knew I had to get it. Plus, originally this was like $26 and it was on sale for like $15 or like $12. 12 or something. So I had to pick this up. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11? That's weird. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, no, it's 10. And it's the lip liners collection. So I'm really excited to try these. And then I picked up one of the $6 palettes. So here it is right here. Now we will get into this palette, but let's open up the other box. And did they send me like a little free gift? Sometimes they send you a free gift if they're late, but it didn't look like they were late. I actually threw that in the corner right there because as soon as this video is done, me and Sweetie Prince will be getting all the trash boxes out of that corner right there and throwing them in the dumpster. Okay, this is the Big Daddy. The Big Daddy box. Let's see here. But yeah, I absolutely love Colourpop. People ask me all the time what is my favorite brand, and that is my favorite brand. Okay. So, we have the first palette, which is the Ornate. Or I don't know. They went French on me, so I don't know. But this is it right here. And I knew that these were going to be colors that I know that I'm going to love. Now, it's more like a fall palette or whatever. But honey, you wear whatever you want whenever. There is no rules in makeup except have fun and enjoy yourself. And this is what it looks like right here. So this is one of their smaller little palettes, but these are so pretty. This actually, I know I can do some looks with. And yeah, I picked this up. I believe this one was only $9, I think. And normally they're like 12, so. Okay, so that was the first one. The next one that I got was Clouds Fun. And I've been looking at these for a while and I never picked them up. And then I was like, okay, I have to get it because it's like cotton candy vibes. California girls, we're so undeniable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top. Ooh, they went with the hardcover on this one. And if you ever get a oh, this is so pretty. If you ever get cracked eyeshadow from them, all you have to do is contact their customer service, take a picture of it, and they will send you another one for free, obviously. But yeah, this is so pretty. I can't wait to do a look with this. I actually want to do a look with this with y'all because I think that this will be an easy look to do. So, but we'll let you guys decide in the comment section which one you want to see me do a look with. Okay, so that was the second one. And then I also picked up, see why I couldn't do the Colourpop video yet? I picked up In Triangle? In a Love Tangle? Changle? I don't know. That's not how you spell triangle, so, or is it? Girl, I don't know. Okay. In a Love Triangle. Okay. That is so cute. Okay. So here's what it looks like right here. Beautiful pastel palette right here. Absolutely gorgeous. I really can see myself using this, especially when spring's coming right around the corner. This is so pretty. I'm glad that I picked this up. And like I said, these were on sale. And there's Afterpay. So get as much as you can with Afterpay because you got to pay it, you know, as the months go. And then I picked this one up. I'm not exactly sure why I picked this one up, but this is Miss Bliss. And when I thought of Miss Bliss, I thought of Saved by the Bell, the very first Saved by the Bell, because there was Miss Bliss. So I don't know if it has anything to do with that, but this was Miss Bliss. So why did I pick this up? Is it orange? It's cute. Not something really I would probably like use a lot, but it's cute. I don't know exactly why. I might have been drunk shopping. Who knows? Okay. So you guys saw the palettes that I picked up. Now, let's get back to the other palette. The Aura and Out. Aura and Out. So this is kind of like a minty green palette, I would want to say. It's right here, packaging. I love how they do the hard one again. Yes! So we have minty green vibes. I love the lime green right there. And I'm living for Soul Sister. Hey, sister, go, sister, soul, sister. Oh, yes! And then look at that minty right there. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So when picking this up, I was like, you know, I don't really do a lot of giveaways with green palettes. And St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner. So why not? I pick up 3 for my sweetie squad. So that's right, guys. We are going to have a giveaway coming up very soon. It's not today, so this is not the giveaway video, but I'm letting you guys know because I still have COVID. So it's pointless for me to announce a giveaway when I don't even know when I'll be negative again. Ugh, this lip gloss was glossy. But anyways, I did pick up 3 for you guys. So 3 lucky winners will be winning these palettes. And I already have a Valentine's Day giveaway set aside for 2 people. Well, it's not for 2 people. I'm saying 2 people can win. I haven't announced it yet, but because February is right around the corner. And plus we need the new Love Heart backdrop coming very soon. But this will be probably for St. Patrick's Day, which is in March. So get ready because I will be giving these away very soon. So I'm really excited. I love doing Colourpop giveaways for you guys. I haven't done a Colourpop giveaway since October when I did the big quad. Well, it wasn't quad, but it was the long one that had all 6 of them and 3 people, or was it 4 that I gave away? No, it was 3. 3 of y'all won that one, and then the Hocus Pocus, and I had so much fun doing that. So when I saw these, I was like, I have to get these. These are so pretty just in time for St. Patrick's Day. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as well too. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. A Colourpop collection video will be coming up very, very soon. And I will see you guys on the next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.